understanding, I'm cooking tonight. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, I'm cooking tonight. This might seem straightforward, but it's packed with meaning and cultural nuances. Let's explore it together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase confidently in your conversations. When someone says, I'm cooking tonight, they are directly stating that they will be preparing the meal for the evening. This is a simple future tense construction in English, using I am, followed by the gerund, verb plus ing, form of the verb, to cook. The addition of tonight specifies when the action will take place. This phrase can carry more weight than its literal meaning. It can imply responsibility. The speaker is taking on the task of preparing the meal, possibly relieving others of the duty. Hospitality. If said to guests, it's a way of welcoming them and offering to provide a meal. Skill or hobby. It might hint at the speaker's cooking abilities or their enjoyment of cooking as an activity. Sharing plans. It's a way to inform family members or housemates about the evening's arrangements, which can be particularly important in shared living situations. This phrase can be slightly altered to fit different contexts or to convey different levels of formality. I will be cooking tonight. A more formal version, I've got dinner covered tonight. A more casual way to convey the same message, I'm on dinner duty tonight, implies responsibility in a light-hearted manner. Understanding these variations can help you pick the right version for the right situation, making your communication more effective and nuanced. I'm cooking tonight is more than just a statement about meal preparation. It's a phrase rich with cultural meanings and implications. Whether you're announcing your plans, taking on a responsibility, or sharing your love for cooking, this phrase is a versatile tool in everyday English conversation. We hope this video has shed light on its various aspects and that you feel more confident using it. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!